NoMad Los Angeles is one of the most exciting places to enjoy champagne in the country. It's got an 800+ selection wine list, about a quarter of which is sparkling wine and champagne. So we went to chef Chris Flint and wine director Ryan Hardy and asked them for a sensational pairing with champagne. And what they gave us was this Seared Branzino with fresh citrus segments, fennel that's been marinated in a little bit of white wine and spices, and a simple sauce of creme fraiche and yogurt. Champagne is so good on its own, we tend to forget that it's actually really food friendly. It's got a great texture, it's got a great mix of citrus and toasty notes, and it's got that high acidity that tends to go really well with food. This is the type of food that is so simple and inexpensive to prepare at home, but most of us wouldn't think to make it if it weren't for a nudge in the right direction from a top chef and wine director.